Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to fix the FHC01 error in Forza Horizon 6. Now, this error probably just goes up or pops up after an hour of playing or given a loading time on the game itself. Now, the first method we can do is by updating your graphics card. Now, if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, go ahead and go to your NVIDIA app or Gaming Experience NVIDIA app. Now look for the latest graphics card driver. Just go ahead and scroll or go ahead and browse, click on download. After downloading, just go ahead and make sure to restart your PC so the graphics card driver or the update has been fully refreshed on your PC. Now another method we can do is by going to your NVIDIA control panel, or if you're using another graphics driver, just go to your AMD control panel. Now once in your control panel, go ahead and click on Manage 3D. Go ahead and scroll down until you see Vertical Sync. Now, make sure that this is turned off. This may make the game a little bit blurry, but no worries. It will re-performance after the in-game settings. Now after that, go ahead and find CUDA Sysmin fallback policy. With this, go ahead and change the settings for it and use prefer no system fallback. And another method we can do is by updating our Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. Now go ahead and go to your browser and search for C++ redistributables. Click enter. The first Microsoft link with the downloads, go ahead and click on it. Once in this page, go ahead and scroll down until you see the second table that has or includes x86 or x64. Click on both. Once you have downloaded the 64 and 86, go ahead and run. And make sure after running, go ahead and restart your PC afterwards. After restarting your PC, go ahead and launch your Forza Horizon 6 and see if the problem still exists. If not, that will be all, and thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.